Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How to enable or disable dark mode in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon and click on Settings. Click on Personalization. And click on Colors. Select Colors followed by Choose Your Mode. You can choose between Light, Dark, or Custom. If you select Custom, you'll have the option to choose one default Windows mode and a different default app mode. In the same menu, you'll also find options to change accent colors and turn on transparency effects. How to set custom times for dark mode. Dark mode doesn't have to be an all-day affair. If you prefer light mode during the day and dark mode at night, customize dark mode timing with auto dark mode. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe